Now, both stocks and crypto are having a very difficult morning so far, falling lower off of resistance levels, and unfortunately for us, that includes Terra Luna Classic. Now, Terra Luna Classic, even though the price may be following Bitcoin right now, there's a lot to look forward to over the next couple of weeks, months, and even year, and that's what I'm going to be focusing on in this video today because, guys, we cannot give up so quickly. We cannot forget so quickly that just last week, Terra Luna Classic was soaring higher, yes, as the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum were moving up, but soaring higher on this desire to repeg USTC, and that proposal has passed. So we still have a lot of things going on under the surface right now that could lead to some massive gains for Terra Luna Classic and, of course, our portfolios. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you get a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding your crypto on those exchanges, it is considered a loan to those exchanges. If you want it to be your cryptocurrency, you need to hold it on a cold storage or DeFi wallet. But guys, I want to jump in and I want to talk about all of the good stuff going on with Terra Luna Classic right now, because it's one thing to focus on the negative, which is clearly the price price action today. Is Bitcoin is falling lower, the Nasdaq is falling lower off some intraday highs already, the Ethereum is falling lower. There's a lot of declines taking place, and it's off of these resistance levels. Bitcoin was unable to really break and take that 23,100 or 23,000 if you want to be round, that 23,100 level of resistance that it had out there, and as such is pulling back today, testing 22,000 and so on. Now, that is absolutely acceptable in technical analysis terms. If it's unable to break resistance, you have to pull back a little bit, load that spring before ripping higher, and that is what we are doing right now. So the Nasdaq pulling off levels of resistance, Bitcoin pulling off levels of resistance, and of course Terra Luna Classic following in the price action. But if we look at the good news here, 14,000 new wallets have been opened up for Terra Luna Classic just over the last couple of days. Guys, this is a beautiful sign to see that this many new people continue to flock to the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. Now, we know a coin is only as strong as its community, and Terra Luna Classic has absolutely one of the strongest and growing communities in the game. You can't pit it against anything else. I mean, Shibainu coin maybe, but Shibainu coin was a much different story when Shibainu coin was ripping higher, and of course Terra Luna Classic was ripping lower, bringing all the lunatics out of the woodwork. But the community is really hyper-focused on taking Terra Luna Classic back to its glory days and back to its all-time highs, which if we do, there's going to be so much money to be made. It's going to be incredible. On top of that, we've got people out there, and with this Ziggurat, repeg proposal, people are discussing and brainstorming in a very productive way how to get this USTC coin repegged back up to the $1 mark so that we can have a stable coin or an algorithmic stable coin. We know that those are unstable coins, right? A stable coin in the Terra Luna Classic community. Now, I don't know which idea is going to end up coming through as the one that they try to implement and the one that the Layer 1 development team finally goes through and puts on there. But we know that worst case scenario, if the Terra Luna Classic community absolutely wants a stablecoin in USTC, we could look at forking or reverse splitting or doing something so that USTC might not experience the gains going back up to $1, but we will have it back up to $1, and then of course we could repeg if a new algorithm is introduced that would be safe and wouldn't result in a massive death spiral like we saw back in 2022 there, right? I'm pretty sure it was 2022. So we have options. And this is kind of like the brainstorming phase. Where do we move next for Terra Luna Classic, and how do we get this coin and this repeg off the ground? If you're looking at Binance, Binance has an update. They're updating the Terra Luna Classic blockchain on their exchange. I believe it's Monday, okay? So they're going to halt deposits and withdrawals for a couple minutes so that they can get that done there. But Binance continues to support Terra Luna Classic through thick and thin. And yes, we had a little bit of a, I guess, falling out with them for a while there. But coming up in the next couple of weeks, Terra Luna Classic is going to see a massive burn from Binance. 3 months worth of trading fees will be burned. 50% of the trading fees, right? 3 months worth of trading fees are going to be burned, which is going to result in a massive decrease in the outstanding supply of Terra Luna Classic. We've got KuCoin. I've seen people arguing on Twitter about KuCoin coming back to the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and staking their Terra Luna Classic. Roughly 48 billion Terra Luna Classic staked by KuCoin. And people are saying, this is a great idea, this is a bad idea, this is a great thing, this is a bad thing. But what it boils down to is KuCoin is not interested in selling. And maybe they're not interested in participating in governance. Maybe they're not interested in going out there and voting on proposals. But they are absolutely interested in staking their cryptocurrency, staking their Terra Luna Classic on the blockchain, and watching it grow throughout the future. That is a huge indicator that one of the biggest centralized exchanges in the world believes in the success of Terra Luna Classic. So if you're looking at the price action today, and it's got you a little bit down, I know you can see everything in the red, and it does take its toll. But we have strung together some very nice weeks since the beginning of 2023. And this little pullback that we're experiencing right now, let's hope that it does not continue. Let's stay optimistic, and let's retake those resistance levels on the next try up and the next leg up. But we have to focus on the positives instead of the negatives, and Terra Luna Classic absolutely has its list of positives. So I want to know what you guys are most excited about down in the comments below. Is it Burns? Is it KuCoin? Is it the repeg? Let us know down there. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You got KuCoin and Binance. Now, don't forget, KuCoin and Binance, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is considered a loan to those exchanges. But nonetheless, it is an excellent place to buy, excellent place to sell. And I mean, you need a place to cash out, right? And you got a free Discord as well. So until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.